guys, hi, welcome to part 2. Part 2. This is part 2. Okay, let's do my hair. My hair is done by my bestie. I'm not gonna call her full name, but let's call her Bian. Or Ann. Yeah, let's call her Ann. Okay. Thanks, Ann, for my hair, but I'm sorry because I'm gonna undo my hair because I don't like going to the beach and my hair is like this. I don't like it, so let's take out my hair. Okay. Let me get my comb for my bag. Like from part one. You see part one, I have a comb. This comb. Okay, put my bag aside of me. God, like my hair is like tangled, very tangled. Oh my God. Okay, that's done. Okay. So what hairstyle is gonna be? Let's do like a high ponytail. Let's do a high ponytail. I'm gonna make this simple because I don't like styling my hair very much. So okay. Now I have this. Maybe I don't like the ponytail though. Maybe let's do uh like a braid, ponytail braid. And I'm gonna show you the back. it's only 2. We're going to the beach at like 3:30 because I'm an early bird, okay? I'm gonna like um prepare things like prepare things quickly. And I have my trusty like water when I'm thirsty going to the beach. I got my water bottle. I got my water bottle. Okay? And as you can see, my phone is charging. So yeah. Okay, let me show you the clothes I'm gonna wear later. On the top, I'm gonna wear like this, this top. It's a crop top, so I'm gonna wear this one. So matching. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this one, and from the bottom, I'm going to wear my usual like leggings. Okay, this is my leggings. I'm gonna later I'm gonna wear this because this is my swimming outfit. Like I have more, but I don't want to like this is enough. And also like this is really hot. And yeah, that's it. Wait lang. Let's change. I wait lang. I have one more like item. Tawas. Like girl, I need this for my kilikili, for my armpit. And girl, you know me, girl, your armpits smell like shit. So I need this. It's called tawas. Pure powder tawas. For like my armpit, so it doesn't smell bad. Okay, I think that's it. Let me put it in my bag. Okay, I think that's it. Let me change into my clothes first. Okay. Let me show you guys. I'm just going to the one moment. Just wait, okay? One moment. Okay, this is my outfit. I'm all black. I need to fix it. you see this is a cactus, so yeah. Okay, I think that's it. But I'm gonna show you like wait for part 3. I know. Okay guys, I'm not going to like vlog long, so like um I'm not going to do a part 3. I'm gonna like pause this video for a moment and let my phone fully charge, and I'm going to like what do you call it again? No, my brain is not working. Like going to show you guys the full video of me going to the beach, and yeah, that's it. See you guys later.